Hi, we're here at the Communal Meals. This is our first experiment for Communal Meals. We're here to make food for ourselves as a group, but also some to take home and some to also bring to those in the community. So making big batches throughout. Everything today is sandwiches. We're making some Japanese curry. We're making a tom kha Thai coconut milk soup. We're making a Persian lentil. But yeah, lots of stuff going on today. But we'll see if it works. But first experiment.
I'm chopping onions to make a very sort of like simple comfort food called adasi in Farsi. It's like just like a lentil stew. It's similar to dal, but generally a little bit thinner. It's like sort of an Iranian grandma dish. Like everybody has their own spin on it. I learned it from an English student of mine. She has her own spin, which is what the
a spin of a spin.
Supa, where's the oats?
Oats?
Yeah. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
That's what the oats are for.
All right.
That's her
Excellent.
spin. Sticking it up a little.
It's not for making with coffee like Shannon does. Okay.
And my spin is to add the sweet potatoes.
Okay. Cool. Look candid.
Me?
Yeah.
This
Pretend like you're not here.
This is not a spatula. I can't find them. I'm like, I don't know where a spatula is. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh.
If only there was a spatula drawer.
This is what's called a galangal in English, or kha in Thai. And tom kha is called tom kha because it's boiled this. So this is a key ingredient for the Thai coconut soup. So.
Excellent.
We're gonna need to, oh no.
We got lids?
Little incident, huh? Yeah?
Science!
What happened here, Supa?
Supa got a little nervous. Like like a puppy.
Little debrief?
A little bit, okay, if we had a gas stove, it would have been different, but you know.
Yeah, blame the tools.
Damn community center like
Yeah. We'll figure this out.
Those are the lentils, right? How are those coming along?
I think they're ready. I think they're just about ready.
Yeah?
They might need a little more salt.
Taste test?
A little taste test. They might need a little more salt, but you know, we're just cooking right up to the edge.
There you go.
That's why it looks like it's gonna overflow, but it's not.
Okay. Let's do round two.
We're gonna do whip foam.
Yeah, nope.
Tim has been the hype man throughout.
Yeah.
You know what?
That's what I
it
mean.
started to feel like
Everyone's a pro.
You're a pro. You're a pro.
Alright, Supa, what do we got here?
We have Kirkland chips.
Amazing. My favorite.
We have tom kha going on, which is the Thai coconut curry. The Japanese curry that Jamal thankfully saved. We messed up quite a bit with that. We have, how do you say it again? Adasi. Logan's version of adasi, which is Persian lentil stew, garlic fried rice with a lot of butter, and then steamed rice.
Excellent.
Voila.
Well done. Alright. Taste test.
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Not as good as my mom's, but you know,
We'll take it.
The motherly love is not there.
say that for legal reasons.
Disclaimer.
Your mom's behind the camera staring at
Or
you.
sued by Chili Gates all the time.
Yeah.
How would this experiment go?
I think the end product went really well. I think the process.
The process.
Taste it.
Yep.
The problem
That's
is
okay.
overflowing and not measuring this. Things would have been better with the planning process, but the end product I think turned out really well. So
Nice.
we'll do it again.
We did it. Yeah.